Hey guys, Kunal from SammyHub.com, and today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy K Zoom. This is the second device from Samsung in the Zoom series, and it was announced in Singapore in around end of April. So to give you a quick rundown of the specs of the Galaxy K Zoom, this is actually an 8 GB 3G variant of the K Zoom. It's powered by Samsung's Exynos hexa-core processor. So as you can see, the A15 dual-core chip is clocked at 1.7 GHz, whereas the A7 quad-core is at 1.3 GHz. So there's a 4.8-inch HD Super AMOLED display, as well as 2 GB of RAM, 2430 mAh of battery, and of course the camera, which is a 20.7 MP autofocus OIS camera with 10x optical zoom and 2 megapixel on the front. So let's unbox the device. So here's the Samsung Galaxy K Zoom. Yep. As you can notice, the first thing is that the back is similar to the Galaxy S5, which has a perforated back. Here's the flash, the 20 megapixel camera. Let's see the front. Here's the micro SD card slot, the power button, volume buttons, and the dedicated camera button. So let's see what else is inside the box. Here's the quick start guide, USB cable, earphones, AC adapter, bunch of earbuds, and finally the 2430 mAh battery. So I'll be taking a closer look at the device in the coming days. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, or you can subscribe to us on Twitter or Facebook, and let me know what any other queries you have. So this is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching the video.